Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of not seeing your home page. Note that this method worked for me, and I understand that there are others methods, and this method may not work for you. Well, with that said, let's get started. First, let's go to the WordPress dashboard, log in with our account. 2. Then go to the left menu and select the one that says plugins. 3. There we put add new to add a new one. 4. We go to the search box, it is on the right side, and look for a cache cleaner. In this case what happened to me was a problem with the cache. We write cache. Among the options we choose the one that says WP Optimize Cache, Clean, Compress. I chose this one. 5. We put install now to install it and wait for it to install. Once installed, we put activate to activate it. 7. Once activated, go to the menu on the left where it says WP Optimize and click on it. Once there, we should be able to see an option that says Run all selected optimizations. Click it and wait. When it is completed, we try again and we should be able to see our home page. 8. If this does not work for you, you can go back to WP Optimize. Go to the top right menu where it says Cache. Click on it and you will see Page Cache at the bottom. Go down and activate Enable Page Caching and click on Purge Cache. Once you are done, you will see the following stats of the page cache. Current cache size, 0 bytes. Number of files, 0. When you have finished this, you can re-enter the cache to verify that it says current cache size, 0 bytes. Once this is done, you should be able to see your home page without any problems.